One of the challenges we have in Nigeria is paying for Facebook ads. Thankfully, last month, Facebook introduced an option where you can pay for your Facebook ads using bank transfer. In the next 5 minutes, I'm going to show you how to do this with your smartphone. Let's get into the video. The first thing you want to do is to open this app called the Meta Ads. If you don't have this app installed on your phone, all you have to do is to visit the Play Store or your Apple Store. Just search Meta Ads and install the app. As you can see, mine is already installed, so I'm going to open it. Once you open the app, you're going to be asked to log in. So I'm going to quickly log in my details. And I'm in. So the next thing I want to do is to select the ad accounts you want to fund. As you can see, I have so many ad accounts, so I'm just going to select the ad account I want to fund. This case is this one. Click on Done. Click on Settings. Click on Billing and Payments. Click on Add Funds. So I'll select the amount. I'm just going to add 500 a year. As you can see, we have 4 payment options: business payment method, debit or credit account, pay by bank transfer. We're going to select pay by bank transfer. Click on Next. Once you click on pay with bank transfer, this page is going to open. Now you're going to enter in your phone number for you to generate your virtual account number. So I'm going to insert my phone number. Click on Continue. Once this has fully loaded, you are going to be given this account number, which is a virtual account number, for you to make your transfer. All you need to do is to copy this account number and make a transfer immediately. As you can see, this virtual account number is valid for 14 minutes and 21 seconds. So you want to do this immediately. So I'll quickly copy this virtual account number and then do a transfer. Because you want to search for the name of the bank, which is Paga. Paste the account number. Click on Next. Enter in your amount. Then I'll confirm. And that's it. Now go back and come here. When you come here, it's going to refresh after you've made payments. And then all you need to do is to go back to your mobile app. As you can see, 499.99, and it's been successful. And that's it. You can pay for Facebook ads with bank transfer. If you watched to this point, make sure you subscribe to the channel and also hit the notification bell, because every Thursday I drop new videos. See you in the next one.